We've made every mistake possible with our pricing strategies. From daily rates to fixed price projects, we have learned the hard way what works and what doesn't. Let's break it down. First, let's talk about daily rates. While this seems to be straightforward, it often emphasizes time spent over value delivered. This led to unpredictable costs and headaches for our clients, and for us as well. For example, one of our new clients who used to work with daily rates told us that the project was going out of control and it was hard for him to allocate budget elsewhere. Not a great experience, right? Also, I don't like to work with daily rates because my interest would be against your interest. I would be happy to invoice more days and you would like me to invoice less days. And this will generate a conflict. So we tried the fixed price model. This price model often leads to rigidity and conflicts over scope changes, which are normal in digital transformation projects. So with a fixed price project, when changes are needed, providers will start cutting corners in order to meet budget constraints. So that's when we pivoted to a pay-per-sprint pricing model. It has been a game changer for us and for our clients. Here's why. First, flexibility. You can cancel anytime if the outcomes don't meet your expectations. And also, sprint after sprint, priorities might change and scope can change. And so we are flexible enough together to adapt to these scope changes. Second, transparency. You get clear visibility of costs and deliverables for each sprint, eliminating those budgeting headaches. Third, focus on value. This model simply emphasizes outcomes over time spent. Would you like me to spend more hours working on something or have it quicker with the same quality, right? And finally, it reduced the administrative overhead. Simplifying budgeting and invoicing has been a relief both on our side and our clients. But what happens at the end of the project? So when the sprints are over, you have options. You can add a development sprint if you want to add new features and extend the project seamlessly. You can opt for our comprehensive maintenance and support all-in package, or choose a technical training sprint to train your staff and to be able to maintain and manage the system alone. In summary, this pricing model is not just about budget, but it also aligns with agile principle, fostering innovation and continuous improvement. So, have you faced any challenges with daily rates or fixed price? What do you think about this? Let me know in the comments. For more insights and tips about automation, AI, and no-code software development, follow me and let's build a smarter, more efficient future together.